Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. I hope you're doing well, guys. In today's video, I have a new eyeshadow palette. My voice. This is Changeable Fantasy from Ucanbe. You must have seen something similar. It's like this. Not to waste time, just remove it. This is what I got from Ucanbe. This is the eyeshadow. It cost me £9.99. Ordered this eyeshadow 21st of May. And we are in July. We are in today is 25th of July. Imagine that. So it literally take 500 years to arrive. Okay, what behind this eyeshadow when I saw it is, you guys know, all these affordable eyeshadow palette. That's what I usually go for. The most expensive eyeshadows you have seen on my channel would be the Jacklyn is a dupe, a Jacklyn Hill Volume 2, her recent eyeshadow. I would say, well, when I say recent, at least it's about months ago. A picture of this and a picture of the Jacklyn Hill. I put them side by side, guys. It's just like maybe some of the shade are deeper here, or some of the shade are deeper on Jacklyn Hill. Let me do a few swatches for you. Like you guys know, I will go. They haven't got names. I like this yellow right here. I really like this shade. I'll do this. Okay, here is the thing. When it comes to this eyeshadow, all this shade is not like I cannot find them on my previous Ucanbe or Beauty Glaze eyeshadows, but it just, I am eyeshadow freak at this point. I like this yellow. I said it before. So all these are the matte shade. All these are the shimmer shade, Julia. These are the full shimmer shade. I hate it when they are on my skin. Yeah. For those of you who have been watching my video, when eyeshadows are popping here, that's when I kind of like, oh wow. But when they are just on my skin, I don't do swatches. Prime with P. Louise base, I guess. Yes, I have something else I wanted to show you as well, guys, before we start. Liquid eyeliner from ZAVAREA. So made the Germany and all. Said before use, shake. Okay. So I also want to try this. Is green. They have different color of these. I saw it on Instagram. They have this. It's called Pigmented eyeliner stuff. They have like a mini pot. I wanted to get it, but I just don't want to get the full range. So because I get most of my stuff from Amazon, and I have got few stuff ZAVAREA but on Amazon. But why I did not go to ZAVAREA website, I do not know. But I just like, you know what, let me just try Amazon. I believe because I am Prime member, then I just went to Amazon. They have different colors, but I choose to just get this one only, just to try if it's something that I like. But what green got to do with this, like red, pink shadow, I don't know. But however, we're gonna try this today as well. Let me just dab this down and take one of our brushes, MIT brushes from our brush collection. Okay. I will go in with this dark shade. Just gonna apply this here. See, it just stays. It doesn't go everywhere. So I'll just lay this down like this. So I will just, with nothing, I will just gently blend here. Just want to make it a bit fade. Just gently. I will dip this area. It looks like we're going for smoking. I want to go in with this dark purple. I'm just blending. As I'm applying it, I am not like forcing it. I'm just kind of using it to blend in between and brow bone area and stuff. I will go back in with the dark shade. I will. I'll go in with this shade. You get this from our brush collection. I'll just apply. Oh, okay. With no spray, with nothing. What? This is a good choice. Get rid of the shimmer. Just don't want that black shade to disappear, so that's why I am. Yeah. Get rid of any shimmer around here. I think this is gorgeous. Oh, this is Rimmel eyeliner. Just do my waterline. Same shade for my bottom lash, just to diffuse. Yeah. For my inner corner, I'm gonna apply this yellow on my inner corner. I'm gonna apply this on my inner corner. I don't care whether you go with the look. Like at this point, I just. Oh, Julia, what are you doing? Well, it's makeup. Oh wow. Time for eyeliner. This is an Rimmel. This is from Barry. Good luck. Here's what happened. I was doing I was doing here when the camera stopped working. So well, you didn't miss out. You didn't miss anything. You didn't miss out. I just, I just straightened up here. Started doing here when the camera stopped. So here is what I am, where I am up to so far. When it comes to this eye, everything is done. So what I'm gonna do, since the camera is playing anyway, so I'm gonna apply. I will apply lashes off camera and do the other eye off camera, or I might use my phone to do the other eye. Lashes I use today is actually Style Mia. Mia is available on our website, makeuptime.com. Okay guys, what do I think of this Jacklyn Hill Dupe palette? What do I think of this palette? For the price, I just think it's okay, you know, it's okay palette. There is nothing like extraordinary when it comes to this palette. Will I recommend this palette? Yes. The pigment is okay. The pigment they are really, you know, especially the matte shade, really good. I love this shade. This is what I have on my inner corner. I truly love this shade. This is what I have on my eyelid. Then I top it all with this ZAVAREA liquid eyeliner, you know. So yes, if you want to go and get this eyeshadow, let's say you like something like this and you want to go and get it, it's available on Amazon. That's where I got my phone. Even though it literally take forever to arrive, but I don't know now that everywhere kind of things are slightly better when it comes to postage and shipping and stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to go and get it there, if you have all this shade at home already, there is no point. But if you want something like this and you really like it, it worth your money ish. As you can see, they are quite small on a pan, like I mentioned before, so I like it. And this one is also available on ZAVAREA websites and Amazon. I got mine from Amazon Prime. Yes, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you like this look I put together today. I hope to see you guys on my very next video. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Follow me on Instagram, is at Makeup It Time with Julia. Everything I use today, I will try and link. I will try and put it down below. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.